I have to locate green and orange. Once I click it, boom, everything is going to change just like that. Did you know that as a forex trader, you are going to spend a lot of time on your chart watching your drawings, and you don't want to spend that time watching an ugly chart like this one or an ugly chart like this one? Instead of this, you want to spend time watching a clean chart like this or this particular one right here. Now it depends on your preference, either dark mode or light mode. It depends on your preference. But what I don't want you to do is to be watching an ugly chart like this one or this one, right? So I want to show you how you can actually make your chart look clean, either like this one or this, in your MT5 platform. Note, this is not TradingView. So this is it on my computer right now, and I'm about to show you how you can take your Mercy chart looking like this. With just 2 clicks, you transform it live. One, that's the first click. The next click, you just come and you select whatever that you want. Then you are good to go. So with 2 clicks, I'm able to transform that ugly chart to this one. And we can also equally do that to this one over here. I'm just going to right click. From right click, I go to template and I select whatever I want over here. Let's say green or black. This is super clean, right? Now let me show you how you can set this up so that you don't have to struggle and do anything. So with this example, I'm going to open a new chart, a random one, which is going to look ugly like this. So I want us to change this and make it new from scratch. So the first thing that we are going to do is to right click wherever on a platform, then go down here to properties. So from properties, we are going to be on a colors panel by default most of the time. But then if you are on show or common, just come to the colors panel, right? That's where we are going to start everything from. Whatever color that we're going to change over here, it will be appearing over here. So the first thing that we want to do is to select the color for our background. And if you are someone who likes to use black for background, then you can just leave it like that. And the foreground has to be white or any color of your preference. So let's assume I want to change the foreground color to, let's say, this teal. Yeah, it's not that visible enough. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to just make it something that's going to be a little bit more visible. Yeah, let me say this light yellow. Now the grid, I don't like the grid, so I'm going to make it none. So you select none over here. You can see the grid is no more appearing. Now we have bar up. Bar up simply means the bar of a bull candle, right? So the bar of a bull candle, let me make it something like, let's use this light sea green over here. And a bar down simply means the bar of a bear candle. Let's use some other color. Which color should we use? Okay, let me just come with this orange over here. And the bull candle, the candle itself, by default it is black. So we're going to change the color to the same light sea green. So you select the light sea green over here, it appeared over there. Now we come to the bear candle. The bear candle, we're going to make it the same orange. Good. So this is what we'll be having for now as our, chart. Now we have this thing down here which we want to remove. I mean the volume over here, we want to remove it. So we go to show. From here we have show ticker, show open, high, low, and close. Show quick trading buttons. We need that show bid price. We can even show ask price. Yeah, it's important to show both the bid and the ask price. So what I want us to take off right now is we want to take off show grid, and we also want to take off show tick volume. You can see once we take off show tick volume, it is gone, right? It is gone. So we can just click OK if we are okay with this color combination. So this is what we are going to have. Now we are not done. After this, what we need to do to make sure that we can transform our chart with just 2 clicks, this is the thing. We right click, then we come to template, then we go to save template. This is it all. So this template, I can just name it green on, let me say green and orange. Yeah, let me just say something like that so that I can easily remember it. So green and orange, you just tap on save. Now it is there forever. Let me go to another chart. Let's say I come to this chart and I want to change it to that my green and orange setup that I just did right now. I have to right click and go to templates. From templates, I have to locate green and orange. Once I click it, boom, everything is going to change just like that. So yeah, it's very, very simple and easy to do. And I hope you followed this short tutorial carefully. If you've been able to follow it, trust me, you are going to arrive at this particular, final step. So this thing will be there for you. Whichever chart that you open and you want to change it, you can just go ahead and just right click, go to templates, and from templates just scroll down to wherever you have your chart name. This one is, we have it as green and orange. You click it, you are good to go. Everything change at once, right? So if this video has been helpful to you so far, kindly go ahead and hit that like button and also share this video with your friends out there to help them as well, right? So if you need anything, just leave it in the comment section below. If there is anything that you want to learn, just leave it in the comment section and I'll gladly go through and help you with it. This is Godsway here, and I'll see you in the next video.